Meaning of debtor.
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 Debtor. A debtor is a person, company, or organization that owes money to another entity, called a creditor. When someone borrows money, they become a debtor and are obligated to repay the borrowed amount, typically with interest. If a debtor fails to repay their debt, they may face legal consequences, such as having their assets seized or being taken to court. In some cases, a debtor may negotiate with their creditors to modify the terms of the debt repayment, such as reducing the interest rate or extending the payment period.